Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Subaru Crosstrek headlight. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cool. Then, open the hood to access the headlight assembly. You'll disconnect the electrical connector and remove the dust cover. Next, carefully unclip and remove the old bulb. Finally, install the new bulb, reassemble, and test to confirm it works correctly. Before you begin, make sure your Crosstrek is turned off and the engine is cool. Pop open the hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see an electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently disconnect it. After that, carefully twist or pull off the protective dust cover to expose the bulb itself. Now it's time to remove the old bulb. Depending on your model, you might need to unclip a wire or twist the bulb counterclockwise to release it. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Secure the new bulb by clipping or twisting it into place. With the new bulb installed, carefully replace the protective dust cover, ensuring it's sealed properly. Then, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the bulb. Once everything is reassembled, close your vehicle's hood. Finally, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly and providing clear illumination.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.